Hi guys, so this is my Valentine's Get Ready With Me. I hope this gives you a bit of inspiration and I hope you guys enjoy.
So I did the first eye off camera, purely just because I had to charge my camera battery. But first I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. Then just using this flat top brush that I use to conceal my brows. I'm just going to pop the primer all over my lids. Now I'm going to use two palettes, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Novena Volume 2 palette and my Morphe 35B palette. First I'm going to dip in with D3 from the Anastasia palette. It's just this nice pink shade. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. You don't want to go too close to the brow, otherwise it will look a bit crazy. Some of my looks when I'm doing them just for Instagram, I do kind of go up right against my brow. But obviously as this is a look for Valentine's, I'm not going to go too nuts with how far I take it up. And then just do a little line so it connects to your lash line at the bottom. So you're getting this kind of sharp wing shape. Go very light-handed at this part because you don't want to do too much colour and mess it up. Because obviously we'll go in and deepen the colour afterwards. We're just getting our shape at this point. Okay, so then we're going to take this very small pointed blender brush. I'm going to use Purplish from the 35B Morphe palette. And we're just going to put that in the crease. You don't want to take the purple up too far because you still want to see the pink colour. But this is just to deepen it up and give it a bit of depth. And then you're just going to take that purple into that little wing shape we made. And then just going to add a little bit more purple. It does take a long time to blend. That was one of my problems when I first started getting into makeup. I kind of just didn't spend as much time on my looks. I blended a little, then wondered why it didn't look very good. But it's like you really need to take time to blend those colours together. Otherwise it's just going to look like harsh lines and it's not going to look the way you want it to. I've just used this flat round brush from Morphe and my Fenty concealer. Put a bit on the back of my hand. Not too much, you don't need a crazy amount. And now I know a lot of people do their cut creases differently. I like to just pat it on my eye because it's obviously a round brush, it's already going to create that shape. So I just pat it, the concealer down, because I feel like when I drag it and try and do the shape I always mess it up.
Just a little interruption from voiceover me. I just wanted to say if I sound unenthusiastic while I'm filming this, it's because I was ill. But yeah, I did enjoy making this. Just thought I'd put it out there because I've noticed while I've been editing.
And then I'm going to just use a similar brush but much smaller. And I'm going to apply my like gold kind of peachy colour from the Anastasia palette. This is C1. And just pat it. You want to make sure you don't go outside the line with the shimmer. And then I'm going to take the purple shade from the 35B palette, and I'm just going to deepen the end of the crease with that colour, just with this little small pointed brush. And once I've got in with the purple, I'm going to use a little bit of pink. Now we're going to do the under eye. So I'm going to use another little flat round packing brush, and then after the purple I'm going to blend it out with a bit of pink. Lash. Now I'm just going to do the rest of my face. So first I'm going to powder my smile lines because they always crease. Just under my eyes a little bit. Then I'm going to do bronzer. I leave this on for just a little while to let it set. I use my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. Just with this big fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the Morphe Spark High Impact Highlighter. Oh, look at that glow, girl. I do find that the Morphe highlighters are very glowy. Just look at it. Just put a little bit on top of my brows as well, on my nose and on top of my lip.
And that is everything for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be back when I am no longer ill.